Hello. Okay, so today, what are we doing today? Well, I had one last piece of the slicked pine left. So this is what we had left. I'm hoping it's big enough. We're gonna use that. I already painted it orange, which is, I don't know what it's called in the Bungalow 47. It's called terracotta tile. So that's what I painted it with. All right, so like I said, I painted this with the terracotta tile. I love that orange. It's very pumpkin-y. I only put one coat, so it kind of looks like, see, you get some green coming through there. So I sprayed it with this, did a couple coats of that on there to give us a nice surface to chalk on. I want to go around the edges and do the same thing like I did last time, but I will tell you, I'm out of my Bungalow 47 cream, which I wouldn't want to use because we're going to use white chalk base today. So I'm going to use some of this resin paint to do that same effect, but guys, I didn't measure really well, and this is the only piece of wood we had left, and I told Mr. Bandt, I think that'll work for what I want to do. I'm hoping it will, because I was measuring ahead of time, and I'm not sure. We'll have to find out together. So this stencil here, that one's flipped over. That's the leaf. See, we used that before, I think. This is the add-ons for the porch sitter. I want to use the pumpkin in here because I think it's cute. So let me cut this out. So we'll set those aside. So we're gonna use that. And then we're gonna use part of the fall subway. I'm gonna use pumpkin. I'm not gonna do the S. I think it'll work. It might look a little wonkadoodle. We'll see. And then we're gonna have negative space that I'm not gonna like. Let me do this one first. Okay, wait a minute. I thought I had this figured out, and this is not what I figured out. Wait a minute, hold on, guys. Okay, like right there. Is that where, let me see. Let's see, I'm gonna stand up now. And I'm like way off. Okay, Cheri, I think that might work. Okay, now I might be able to actually put this one on. I think, what do you think, Al? You gotta stand up and look at this. I don't know. So you think of pumpkin.
Then you're gonna have like pillars.
It's gonna be, but I could use like the leaf here, maybe. Let me just go ahead here.
Let's just go for it. Actually, I think your pumpkin. Oh.
No, I think we're just gonna do this. We're gonna start all over. And we're gonna put the pumpkin down first.
What if you put the pumpkin
like that?
No, what if you put it like
what?
What if you put it like that, and then you like put something like that, and then you put something over the top?
I don't want to do that.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, I think that's cute. Oh, and then we can wrap the top. If it bleeded on me. Nope, didn't bleed it on me. So that looks kind of cute. Let me get this dried a little bit, and then we'll do this guy. Okay, now when you pull these up, you want to like do it straight away. Oh, guys. I don't know if I want to go around the edges. I think I do want to go around the edges with the white. I think I want to do that first. So I think we're going to go around the edges with this and then dry it. And then we'll put something fun at the top. Okay, so let me show this so you can actually see. I'm going to, this is the like a black like we used before. I just dipped it in the paint, and I'm gonna come around the edges and just give it just a little bit of white. Oh, and then I will dry this, and then we'll do something at the top. What do you guys think? I don't know if I like the raffia. I don't think I like it.
Oh,
I don't know if I like it with the orange, guys.
Oh, no. So you can make a little bow out of that and put it on the pumpkin still.
I don't know if I'm going to like that either. That's cute. Let me turn my hot glue gun on. Let's do some juke. I kind of feel like I should wrap some of the raffia in with that. I think I might do that. Okay, what do you think? I think it turned out nice. I'm kind of shocked, actually. I think it's cute. Okay, well, thank you all for watching. Bye now.